Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. This is Miss Isolde signing in. Our vlog today is all about back to school supplies haul that I made, done shopping few weeks ago or months ago, completed. And yeah, as you can see, my first back to school shopping haul was way back then, and this will going to be late upload. So yeah, let's start this guys. As you can see, dun sa mga previous vlog ko, kasama ko talaga yung aking besi-besi dito way back pa. Si tita, si ate, si Cor. Yun yung aking besi-besi dito sa dormitory. So I will gonna show you what I bought from National Bookstore, SM, Muji. Halos karamihan sa aking binili ay from National Bookstore, warehouse, office supplies, etc. So, before it's further ado, and if you're currently watching my vlog, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, hit the likes button, and click the notification bells for more video updates. So yeah, let's start it. Let's do this one by one. The first product that I bought was from abroad. This is a magnetic board with lights that I will gonna put on my bookshelves in order for me to have a signboard that I need to study. I need to have a positive vibes before studying. So yeah, I bought this in a low price, and yeah, I'm very thankful that I received this magnetic board, and you can easily put it on your bookshelf or in your ref, or this is a signboard that motivates you every day, and it has a light, and it is worth it to buy this one. And I put positive vibes only here in order for me to stay positive every day, and it's really hard to study with if you don't have a motivation. So this is the light if you open the signboard, and yeah, I really love this product. It suits me well in my room. So guys, the next product or item that I'm going to hold with you is from SM Store or SM Homeworld. So I bought this in Makati City with my Beshi, Ate Socorro, and I'm sorry if it was going to late upload. And if you're currently watching this, yeah, I bought this at SM, and I'm looking an alarm clock there, and yeah, I find cheapest alarm clock, and yeah, it's cute and very cozy. So here it goes. So the first thing that I saw is an organizer. So I will gonna put here all my things, um, like pouches, before going to work or after working. So para may isa lang siyang lagayan sa kwarto ko, na para pag alis ako, nandito yung mga pouches ko, like for stethoscope, yung lahat ng mga pouches. So yun, napakamura nito. And also I have here yeah, alarm clock. So this is a cheapest alarm clock, and I really love this clock. Yeah, and the cost of this clocks is, I think, around 300 plus, I guess. Yeah, and hope you find this kind of alarm clock, and yeah, this is available at home world SM. Again and again, this is not a sponsorship, guys. I bought this on my own money, on my own allowance, in my own allowance for my study. I budgeted all of it. So yeah, and I make a DIY pencil case and it's too cute. The box is cute, and that's why I made a pencil holder. So yeah. So guys, the next item that I will going to haul with you is from Landmark. So I bought a tumbler from Landmark because I want a tumbler na kung saan worth it to buy, yung hindi siya kaagad madaling masira, hindi plastic. So naghanap ako sa Landmark, napakamura. I think this is 100 plus lang sa Landmark. So tumbler made of stainless. And yeah, it's very worth it to buy. So, hindi ako nag-aksayang bilhin ko nung nakita ko siya. The price is uh, really affordable, and there is a straw inside of it, and you can put hot water and cold water here. Napakaganda nito guys. I love this item. At kasi talaga siya sa aking backpack pag ako'y nagre-review. Costs 149 pesos at Landmark. The next item that I will going to haul with you is a weekly list pad na kung saan dito ko pinupost yung aking mga schedule, araw-araw kung ano yung subject na aaralin ko sa review ko sa nursing. So, this is the essence of this notepad at meron siyang mga daily, like Monday, Tuesday, weekly list siya. This is routinary na gagawin mo activity o productivity sa buong linggo. So, naka-schedule siya at you can post it on your board, on your back of your door. Napakamura po niya. And this is available at Landmark, Makati City. So, yeah. I really love this product, guys. So guys, the next item that I will going to haul with you from Landmark is some kind of notepad that I use in my review. This is weekly schedule list. You can track all your productivity, daily activity, and notepad that you're going to post in on your notes. Yeah, this is some kind of notepad. Routinary na para i-post mo dyan o i-schedule mo yung araw-araw na gagawin mo sa review. Napakaganda niya, and you can post it on your notebook. That's why I really love notepad because my father sended me a package of notepad at home, and naubos ko siya talaga nung ako'y nag-nurse. So guys, the next product that I will going to haul with you is from National Bookstore. So I bought binder. I love binder because sa binder malalagay mo lahat ng iyong review materials, A4. Yeah, I bought 3 of it. So here it goes. Mahilig po talaga ako sa binder, guys. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko. Nilalagyan ko lang na bantay sa unahan. Then, nilalagyan ko ng color yung spine niya para alam ko kung ano mga subject na nandun. So, pinapal ko dito lahat ng aking mga review hands-out na nagaling sa review center. So, may mga index siya. Mura lang sa National Bookstore ang index. Napakarami pag isang pack ang binili mo. So, sometimes, sinusulat ko sa bond paper yung mga notes ko, like mga drawing, pathophysiology. So, binabind ko siya, guys. Ganito ang aking notebook sa review center, mga A4 size, para pagbuklat ko, lahat makikita ko. So, yeah, guys. The next binder that I buy in National Bookstore is from Seagull. So, yung mga Seagull binder ko, guys, ay matitibay siya. So, pang matagalan po siya, as you can see. Yan, ganito po ang itsura ng Seagull binder. Talagang it lasts po years. So, bibili ka na lang po palagi ng refill pack nila. So, yan po yung mga hand notes ko. Nilagay ko na actually. Nilagyan ko na ng mga documents ko sa review center para hindi nangangalat sa aking table. So, binabind ko talaga siya para, kasi yung mga notes naman sa nursing, guys, it lasts eh. So, if meron revision, kasi sinasabi ka agad. Kasi itong mga notes nila dito is a standard siya eh. So, pwede rin gagawin sa ibang bansa. Pero may mga application kasi na dito lang sa Philippines. Pero more on, lahat ng application is internationally standard siya. May isa lang sinusunod. So, next na binili ko ay yung, ang tawag dito, Yeah, I know this is a glue gun. So, binabalahan lang siya ng stick glue. At mura lang siya guys sa National Books. Yung pinakamurang binili ko kasi tipid din ako. So, next that I will going to haul with you is yun, refill siya. Refill leaves ng mga binders ko. Since A4 ang ginagamit ko, maganda to. Mura lang sa National Bookstore. Pero, napaka-limited lang na National Bookstore ang sinusuplayan ng ganitong paper. Some kind of paper like na sa ibang national, wala nito, guys. So, makikita mo lang itong leaves na to sa Mega Mall National Bookstore. So, thank God, nakakita ako ng matigas siya na paper na siya ay eco-friendly, then mura siya. So, yan, ito yung ginagamit ko sa review ngayon para marami ako mailagay. So, here it goes. So, guys, the next that I will going to haul with you is index. Ito yung mga borders ng mga review materials ko. Index board ang tawag dito. Kasi siya yung magsisilbing pagitan ng mga ginagamit. Pagitan ng mga notes mo. So, lalagyan mo lang yung pangalan sa pinakang tab niya. Tabulator, card, or I don't know what it's called. But for me, nakalagay doon sa plastic niya, index board. So, yeah. Mura lang siya sa National Bookstore, guys. So, guys, the next item that I will going to haul with you is Sharpie highlighter, guys. So, bumili na ako ng isang set kasi sa mga reviewee na tulad ko, guys, talagang talamak sa pangangailangan ng highlighters kasi marami kaming books, lalo na yung mga book namin talaga. A4 size ang libro namin na makakapal, guys. Napakamahal ng review materials namin, mga libro namin na nursing. So, kalimitan, ubos-ubos talaga ako, lalo na sa mga post-test. Yan, nandyan ko. Napakaganda. At ito yung price, 129.17 cents. So, guys, the next item that I will going to hold, ito ginagamit ko sa aking journal. So, napakaganda itong pen na to, guys. So, ang siya ay bold, and siya ay pwede sa mga title, sa journal niyo, sa bulleted journal niyo. Napakaganda ng item na to. I recommend this item, guys. So, napakamura niya, guys, as you can see. And, hanapin niyo na lang to sa National Bookstore. So, the next item that I will going to haul with you is Sharpie Pack Things. So, mas tipid pang marami, isang set 6 pieces siya, nandiyan na naman kung ano yung gusto mo. So, this is 1,279.75 per pack. Pero, siya naman ay 6 na peraso na. So, yeah. Napakaganda nito and I recommend this things. The next item is Sakura highlighter, guys. Napakaganda nito ng Sakura highlighters nito. 3 in pack siya, 213. So, neon color siya. Kaysa sa ibang highlighter, iba yung color niya, maganda siya. Sorry guys, nagkamali ako. 262 lang pala yung isang set ng Shopee. So guys, the next item is file holder liner. So this is from Seagull. This is made from plastic and it is durable. It lasts years talaga. So, ang maganda nito kasi, bumili ka na nito, then re-refillan mo lang ng refill. Kahit bond paper na yung iyong paper, okay lang siya. Kasi, for example, first year ka, bumili ka nito, college ka. Magkakahit ko siya hanggang 4th year, guys. Maingat ka lang, guys. Napakaganda nitong Seagull file holder na to. So guys, the next item is A4 size notebook, guys. This is imported items. So, ang pinili ko yung medyo mapapasaya niya ako sa pag-aaral ko at gusto ko talaga malalaki kasi gusto ko pagbuklat ko, nasa harapan ko lahat ng theories. So, that's why malalaki ang notebook ko, guys, ever since. So, ayan. Yan po. Magaganda siya, 100 plus lang yata, 109. Nabili ko siya sa SM Manila. So guys, the next item is Puka Pad, guys. Talagang malalaki po talagang notebook ko ever since. Nabili ko siya sa Robinson National Bookstore kasi Alam niyo ba kung bakit ako nagkahilig sa malalaking notebook? Ever since nung bata ako, may mga package ang tatay ko from ibang bansa. Malalaking notebook talagang binibili niya sa akin. Kahit nung ako sa St. Mary's College, malalaki talaga notebook ko. So, yun. So, yun guys, sanay ako talaga sa malalaking notebook. Kasi pag maliliit, nasusuffocate ako, hindi na ako elementary para mag-notebook ako ng maliliit. So guys, the next item that I have here is yung notebook. Hindi talaga ako bibili nitong notebook na to. So, napamahal ako, nagsisi ako, pero maaaring magamit ko talaga in the future. Kasi nagustuhan ko dito yung quotation lang eh. Nagdadalawang isip talaga akong bilhin nito guys. Pero nandoon na eh, nabili ko na, wala akong magagawa. So, pero magagamit ko siya soon. So guys, the next item is from Office Warehouse. Dito po talaga ako bumibili ng mga ballpen kasi mura po sa kanila, retractable ballpen. As in guys, ever since na ako estudyante, makakamura kayo dyan guys. Nung ako estudyante na nanakawan ako ng ballpen na ganito, siguro kasi nagagandang sila sa ballpen kasi colorful. So, OMG siya guys, paganda. Titus, HATC type. Yung mga Nataraj ballpen, yan, yung kulay yellow to, Nataraj po yan. I think mura lang talaga siya. Kung meron ng isang box, bumili na ako. So, yeah. So guys, the next item that I will going to hold with you is from National Bookstore Pens. So I love both guys. So here it goes. I bought gel pens set. Mas mura kasi pag isang set kung binili nyo kaysa sa paisa-isa. So guys, the next item here is a calligraphy pen of Sakura guys. So, masyado na itong talamak ngayon at very popular to when it comes to calligraphy. So, para sa mga head title mo, head, yung iyong mga note-taking, maganda to guys. So, maganda rin ito sa journal guys. Napakaganda nitong mga pens na to. Pumili ako ng tatlo. So guys, the next item is gel pen individual. Minili ko siya isa-isa kasi wala dun sa set color na. So, yun, okay naman kasi nagamit ko at worth it naman to buy this pens. So guys, the next item here is paper mate pen. Napakamahal ng isang set nito guys. Pero pag sa ibang bansa kayo bumili nito, halimbawa bumili 24 pieces, may isang free. Like 12 pieces, may isang free. Pero dito sa Philippines, napakamahal nitong paper mate nito. Pero maganda po yung talab niya guys. At siya refillable. Pero sale siya sa US guys. So guys, the next item is highlighter again. I think this is Sharpie, I think. I forgot this because this is only a dub kasi nawala yung sound nitong video na to. So, yeah, this is a highlighter at talamak sa akin ng highlighter at talagang ubusan talaga. Kung baga, ang libro ay may worm. Ako naman ay highlighter worm. So guys, the item that I bought in National Bookstore Makati is a file folder ng aking mga long review materials. So, dito ko pinapile yung aking mga review materials. This is Best Buy at mura lang siya dun guys. Try nyo. So, para hindi nangangalat yung inyong mga paper, tas taping sa review. Yan, nakapile lahat sa akin guys. As you can see sa aking bookshelf tour dito sa dorm, I post it in the corner of this video. So guys, the next item is from Seagull File Folder Binder. So, favorite ko talaga ang Seagull when it comes to file folder ko. So, pag long naman, Best Buy. So, here it goes. And napakatibay talaga niya guys. I have 3 file folder binder sa bahay. At talagang matibay. So, ito po yun. So guys, the next item is 2-inch long file folder binder. So, marami talaga kami mga test papers, kaya kailangan ko ng long file folder binder. So, the next item is clear folder na kung saan dito ko lalagay mga certificates ko na ina-attend ng seminars and yung mga training, workshop when it comes to nursing. So, hindi na ako nag-isa. At yun, ito po. And the last item, I think here is index cardboard. Ito yung nilalagay ko sa pagitan. So, 78 per pack po siya. Mas mura na kasi mga 8 pieces to 5 pieces yata or 10 pieces each ito per pack eh. So, maganda po siya. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa aking mga binder folder na nakikita niyo. Kasi lalagay mo lang kung ano subject yun. Tapos sa tab na nakalagay sa kanya. So, napaka-worth it nito guys. So guys, the next item that I have here is from Fab Manila. So, ito yung notebook ko ever since nung ako ay nag-aaral ng nursing 4th year. So, dito ko nilalagay yung aking mga cases para hindi ko makalimutan ito lahat-lahat yun guys. And maganda talaga yung mga items sa Fab Manila. Imported siya and eco-friendly. The next item that I have here is from Beko. Beko products item. Ito yung mga pwedeng i-refill na notebook ng Beko. Pero maganda yung mga papers nila. So, hindi ko sinasadya. Akala ko kasi siya ay spiral. So, siya pala ay binder na pwedeng tanggalin. Flip lang siya. Pero matibay po yung kanyang folder. Kaya, ayan po siya guys. Pwede siyang refillan. Napakaganda rin ng mga items ng Beko. Parang panakat siya sa Muji guys. So, sulit talaga din sa kanilang bumili ng items. So, the next item that I have here is Sharpie Pack Pen na binili ko sa, I think this is Makati City. So, sale kasi siya. So, 150 pesos in 3 pieces na yun guys. So, saan ka pa? So, Sharpie niya. So, guys, the next item that I have here is pen. So, maganda itong pen na to guys. And, yeah, mura lang siya kaya bumili na ako ng 3 peraso. And I love this pencil guys. I love the color green. Yeah. So, again, this is not a sponsorial items. Ito po ay binili ko sa aking sariling allowance at inipin ko na 3 buwan. So, the next item that I have here is Joy pen. This is a paper mate. This is a gel pen from paper mate. It is a separate from the pen guys kasi ito mas maganda po ang talab and refillable siya. So guys, the next item that I have here is from MG Doodle Pen guys. Sale kasi sila guys and mura pa yung mga items nila. So ito yun guys. 199.75, 7 pieces. So guys, the next item is post-it. As usual, review tayo, mga estudyante, iba. Kalamak yung post-it nila. So, bili na ako ng isang pack para mas matipid, para matagal-tagal maubos. So, yeah, ito po siya. The next item that I got is pens from National Bookstore, guys. So, mahilig talaga ako sa mga pens kasi nag-draw ako pag wala akong ginagawa, nag-google ako, nag-design ako, yun lang yung aking gawain dito sa dorm and there's no other leisure here, there's no other na pwedeng mapaglibangan. So guys, ito po ay talagang talamak na sa YouTube channel ko. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit. Ito po ay MG ball pens. 9 pesos each ito sa National Bookstore. Pag bumibili ako nito guys, 200 pesos. I think 20 pieces ang binibili ko. 25 pieces. Parang matagalan na guys. Pero madali siyang maubos. Pero worth it siya to buy. So marami po akong binibili nito pag ako nasa National Store guys. Napakaganda ng ballpen ng MG. I recommend this pens guys. So guys, the next ballpen is my favorite Rose Color, a Japanese brand ballpen to guys. Napakaganda nito guys. Napakaganda nito. Gusto kong bumili nito ng marami kasi mura lang ito guys. So, this is available in National Bookstore. Makati City ko ito nabili guys. Hindi ko lang alam sa ibang branch. Next one is highlighter again and again. Talagang ako ay hilig na hilig sa highlighter kasi review ay maraming binabasa nilo, highlights pa ng highlights, mga test taking mo, like mga test papers, hina-highlight mo, books mo, hina-highlight mo, notebook, hina-highlight mo din. Talamak talaga sa aming mga nerds yung review nito guys. So, I love it guys. So guys, this is a Peppermint again pen. Napakaganda nitong ball pen na to guys. There are 74.75 inches. The next item is Titus pen. So, mura lang to guys. I think nabili ko to sa National Bookstore Recto. 7.75 guys. Retractable siya guys. Maganda naman siya isulat. And also, I have here a Titus pen is retractable. Pinili ko siya sa National Bookstore Recto. And a Titus red ball pen sa National Bookstore Recto. 22 pesos. So, yun guys. Hanggang dito na lang ang aking school supplies haul dito sa YouTube channel ko. Inipon ko to ng 3 months, 1 month kasi nagbibili ako. Pag naipon ko na, saka ko i-haul. And yung music ko na itong nasa likod na to, separate haul ko na siya guys. Hindi ko na siya i-haul kasama ng iba kong school supplies kasi more on National Bookstore na karamihan lang sa aking school supplies. So, if you're currently watching my vlog, please hit the like button and side comment. And if you are not, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, hit the likes button, and click the notification bells for more video updates. So, yeah guys, thank you so much. So guys, I hope you are subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, abangan nyo po yung movie ko na na-haul. Actually, na-download na siya since this is last, upload and late upload in my YouTube channel. So, I separate my movie haul kasi pure po siya para maganda-ganda po. So, yeah, that's all that this is Miss. So, this vlog. Bye-bye!